Holy crap! My Apink bias Namjoo has a solo. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta watch this now. I gotta watch this right now. Hey guys, I'm ThatKpopBoyJaylen, and today we're gonna be reacting to Namjoo's from Apink, her very first solo, Bird. And I didn't know about this at all, actually. I mean, I've seen the teasers, but I didn't realize like she was gonna be coming up with with a solo. I don't know if this was her first, if this is like her very first one, or she has done a solo before. I'm not sure, but I'm really excited. And this just came out like today, and I can't wait. I really can't wait, because you guys know over the years that my Apink bias is Namjoo, and I love her, so I really can't wait. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm really excited. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's get this reaction started. Alright guys, in 3, 2, 1, now. Oh my god, Namjoo. Okay. Holy. Whoa, okay, Namjoo, relax there. Okay, relax. Oh. Oh. Okay, are they like in Egypt? Looks like it, maybe. I don't think it's like real Egypt, but I think it's like the theme. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Man, I haven't heard Namjoo in so long. Like, well, I mean, I've seen like the recent Apink comeback, but you know what I mean. Oh my god! Oh wow! Okay. She cut her hair. Oh my gosh! Holy! Okay. 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 Relax, Namjoo. Holy. Okay. Jeez. Oh, she's feeling like a bird. Oh, this beat though. This is good. Wow, these visuals are pretty good. Eagle. Jeez. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Oh my gosh. Whoa, whoa. Oh my god, Namjoo. Girl, she looking so good. Holy crap. Ugh. I'm not crying. Oh my god. Holy. She's a bird. Oh, oh my god. That part. Oh my god. Birdia. She's a bird. Holy. Jeez, Namjoo, girl. Whoa. Okay, girl. Jeez, girl. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, work it, Namjoo. Holy crap, she looks so pretty. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Wait, that was it? Holy crap, that ended quick. Damn, that was a really good song. I really like this song. But you know what? Let's check it out one more time, because you know that felt really short. So let's check out one more time. Okay, guys. So we're gonna check this out one more time because it felt really short, and I wanted to. I really wanted to watch it again. Sorry, all right, guys. Oh wait. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, now. Oh my gosh, she looks so damn good. Oh my god. The beat is so good though. Holy crap! I feel like she's like, look at her. She's like a queen. Oh my god, a goddess. Damn. Is there subtitles? One. There was subtitles. My goodness. Oh my god. Never mind. These are generated subtitles. Never mind. Holy crap. Jeez. Oh, the body roll. Oh my god. I can't believe she cut her hair. It looks good. Oh my gosh. Jeez. The guy, girl. I'm gonna birds up. Jeez. Okay. This part is pretty cool. Okay, girl, relax. Jeez. My gosh, she's been working so hard, man, on this, and I love it. I really loved it. Oh my gosh, work it, girl. Oh my gosh, she's killing it. I love these outfits too. Holy crap, these are really nice outfits. Jeez, the body rolls, I can't. Oh, that part. Birds up. Ooh. It's a nice, it's a good body roll song. I don't know why. Namjoo, okay, that shot was so good. Oh my god. That too. Oh my. Jeez, Namjoo. I can't get enough of this beat. It's pretty good. Oh my god. Yeah. Ooh. I like how they're adding like bird sounds too. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright guys. Alright. So okay, so that was Namjoo's Bird, and oh my goodness, this was amazing. If this is not her official solo, this is her first solo to me, and oh my gosh, this is amazing. This was sorry. Anyways, but yeah, I love this song. I really love this song. It's so good. I like the beat to it. The setting is pretty cool. I can see how they did it like a Egyptian style. And like the outfits. Oh my god, perfect. She looks so good. And I didn't realize she cut her hair too. But she looks good with short hair, obviously. Come on. But yeah, my goodness, I loved it. I really loved it. Jeez. I don't know if it's on Spotify yet, but I'm definitely gonna put it on for sure. But oh my gosh, that's really good. That's really good, man. I feel like I saw everyone's like solos, but I think but until like Namjoo's. So, oh man, I wonder if my friends saw it too. I'll see. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much my reaction for today, guys. All right, guys, laters.